Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Ioan B. Ioan, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is obviously a bit customized E-series, but it was in fact a Corona 16 megabyte. It did require a postfix adapter, and we modified it using the muffin style and a matrix glitch chip with oscillator. So we did swap out the LEDs for the blue LEDs. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed. And as you can see, those nice quick boot times resulting from that CR4 muffin install. By default here, the console will boot directly into Freestyle Dashboard. But again, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, Aurora Dash all pre-installed. Be sure to check out the playlist link in your final video, or your final email rather. That playlist to the XX Modded Warfare stuff is really good content. We'll teach you about using the RGH. So thanks very much for trusting us with your console. We'll go ahead and get it packed up and on its way back out to you tomorrow. Thanks so much.